Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about an easy, yet interesting topic, English idioms. What is an idiom? Idioms are a type of figurative language, which means they are not always meant to be taken literally. An idiom is a phrase that, when taken as a whole, has a meaning you wouldn't be able to deduce from the meanings of the individual words. Idioms express a particular sentiment, but they do not literally mean what the individual words themselves mean. Some of the commonly used idioms are: It's raining cats and dogs. This phrase does not literally mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky, rather, it is used to indicate that there is a heavy downpour or rain. You can't judge a book by its cover. This phrase symbolizes not to assume you know someone or something by how he or it appears. The grass is always greener on the other side. This idiom does not literally mean that the other side will always have greener grass. The meaning of this idiom is that people think the other person, or someone in a different situation, has it better or easier than they do. Types of idioms. There are four types of idioms: pure idiom, binomial idiom, partial idiom, and prepositional idiom. Pure idiom. It is a type of idiom, the meaning of which cannot be inferred by deducing its individual components or words. For example, a popular idiom "spill the beans" expects someone to reveal a secret, not necessarily to pour a can of beans. However, you won't get to know this by looking at each component of the phrase. Binomial idiom. It is a type of idiom which contains two words, which are generally joined by a conjunction or preposition. For example, the phrase heart to heart refers to a candid conversation between two people and specifies the use of a conjunction, to. Partial idiom. This is the idiom which contains a part of the idiom, with the second part being generally understood by people. For example, people use the idiom when in Rome with the understanding that the other person knows the second part, do as the Romans do. Prepositional idiom. This idiom combines a preposition and a verb to create a phrase with distinctive meaning. For example, agree on is a prepositional idiom, combining the verb agree and preposition on, which means sharing your opinion with someone. So, in this video we discussed about idioms and their different types. If you have any doubts, do share the same in the comments section, and if you like the video, do not forget to press the like button.